Welcome back to Shravya's Thoughts. Today, we are going to talk about what goes on in the mind of a 9-month-old baby. It's fascinating to explore the thoughts and perceptions of these little ones as they begin to discover the world around them. At this age, babies are constantly learning and absorbing information. They are curious about everything they see, hear, and touch. Their minds are like sponges, soaking up new experiences and making sense of the world. One of the things that 9-month-old babies think about is their own physical abilities. They are becoming more mobile and they love to explore their surroundings. They might be thinking, I wonder how far I can crawl, or what will happen if I pull myself up on this furniture? Babies at this age also start to develop a sense of object permanence. They understand that objects continue to exist even when they are out of sight. So, if you hide a toy behind your back, they might be thinking, where did it go? I want to play with it again. Communication is another important aspect of a 9-month-old's thoughts. They are starting to understand simple words and gestures. They might be thinking, I know that when I say mama or dada, it gets their attention. Emotions also play a big role in a baby's mind. They might be thinking, I feel happy when mommy tickles me, or I get scared when there's a loud noise. They are learning to express their feelings and understand the emotions of others. In conclusion, the thoughts of a 9-month-old baby are filled with wonder, curiosity, and a desire to explore. It's amazing to witness their cognitive and emotional development at this stage. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content about parenting and child development. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.